Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I cut up my spam for some fried rice. So this is the spam straight from the tin and I'm just going to slice it up. So I'm doing some nice, not too thin slices, right? And then of course I'm going to dice those. So I stack them up. So this is half of it. So I stack those up and then I'm just going to slice into those as well in the other direction, right? And then now turn it around. And so this way now I'm going to get some cubes, some little pieces, not too fine, right? But just right enough for some fried rice. Some spam fried rice. So look at them nice little cubes. So slice and dice away. And then that is it. Now let's get my little bowl and I'm gonna put those in, and then I'm going to do the other half of the spam. Ooh, look at it. Look at the slice. Ooh, it's sliced so nice. The knife just goes through it. Just, ooh, it's just so glorious. Yes. Ooh, look at pieces stacking away. Okay, so let's slice those, slice them, stack them, and then let's dice them. But yeah, Vibes Sam, that is it. That is how I cut up my salmon for you're my boss salmon. My God. I cut up my spam for some spam fried rice. So this is it. Look at it. So lovely. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, click the thumbs up button, share my video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you.